How to set up ticket tool on Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our browser, and then on the search bar, just search for tickettool.xyz. And then once you are now here, just click invite ticket tool right here. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to just click this one and then choose the server where you want to add ticket tool. So once you do that, just click continue. And then in this part, make sure that you check all of this and then click authorize. Once you do that, what we are going to do is to go here on our Discord. And then in this part, just go into the server where ticket tool was added. So what we are going to do next is to go here on the settings. So just go on into the server settings, which is right here. And then in this part, click on roles. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to create a role. So click create role right there. And then for the role name, just name it ticket tool. And then in this part, if you want to change the style of the role, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then go here on the permissions. And then in this part, you just click view channels right here. And then after that, click Save Changes. And then go here on the Manage Members. And then in this part, just click Add Members right here. And then just choose the members that you want to add. After that, click Add button. And then once you do that, what we are going to do next is to go back right here on our server. And then in this part, we're going to create a new category. So go here once again and then click Create Category. And then for the category, just name it ticket tool and then make sure that it is private and then click next. So just select the ticket tool role right here and then click create category. After that, once you created that, you will now be able to see this ticket tool. And then in this part, we're going to, of course, create a new channel. So just name this maybe ticket tool once again, and then click, of course, private channel once again right here, and then click next, and then select ticket tool. After that, create channel. And then in this part, we are going to type setup. And then after that, just click this and then click enter. After that, let's wait for it to finish. In this part, we're going to click create a panel. And then in this part, of course, we're going to set the name for the current panel right here. So it's up to you. So I'm just going to put example. And then click submit. After that, just click save and continue. And then in this part, just select the role that you want to add. So I'm going to choose ticket tool and then click save and continue. After that, in this part, just choose the category that you want to use. So I'm going to click on ticket tool right here and then click save and continue once again. And then in this part, just choose the channel that you want to use. So I'm going to click on ticket tool right here and then click save and continue. And then after that, just click finish. And then after that, once you do that, you will now be able to create a ticket right here. So just click create ticket right there, and then that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to set up ticket tool on Discord.